Linktree tutorial. Hello everyone, I am Bashaka and welcome to our channel, and I will take you through this step-by-step guide for Linktree. So go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for Linktree and you will be led to the official webpage of Linktree. Here, go ahead and log in if you already have an account, and if you don't have an account, then tap on the sign up for free option you see there, and further go ahead and sign yourself in for Linktree. You can sign in using your email ID or simply your phone number, or you can also log in using your Google account or your Apple account. Go ahead and log in using your preferred account, and once you have logged into Linktree, it is important to remember that Linktree is a link in bio tool that lets you share multiple links using one single URL. For example, in Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube bio. So instead of changing your bio link every time, you can create one page that contains all your important links like website, social media, product, or video, which also includes your YouTube channel, your Instagram, your online shop, your blog, your affiliate links. All these appear in one simple page. So once you have signed in for Linktree, go ahead and choose if you want to be a creator, or if you want a business account, or if you want a personal account. Once selected, go ahead and open your dashboard and then tap on the add new link option, and then go ahead and enter the link title and the URL of the link that you are looking forward to add. Finally, tap on the save button you see there in order to save the link that you just added. You can add many links such as YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, your website, Telegram, WhatsApp, and many more. You can further go ahead and drag links to change the order and simply enable or disable links based on its profile. You can also add icons or thumbnails to the link that you just added, and this will help highlight your most important links first. You can then go ahead and customize your Linktree page by simply tapping on your profile option on the top left of your screen, and then edit your profile photo, your bio description, your themes and colors, and the button styles. Customization helps your page match your brand or your personality. You can then go ahead and simply share your Linktree. So copy your Linktree URL and paste it in your Instagram bio, your TikTok bio, your YouTube description, your Twitter bio, or your email signature. And now people can simply tap on the link, and with one click, they will be able to see all your social handles and your websites. So this was about Linktree tutorial full guide for beginners. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.